Report to the miss.
Let me kill be the vanilla gorilla.
I was raised around the wolves and gorillas.
Gorilla, straight from the miss.
I'm a gorilla, call me Sasquatch.
That my gorilla, yeah. He my gorilla, yeah. She my gorilla, yeah. Report to the miss. Join the party. I can provide the army. We get it started. Come and hear the voice of the man they call the Trojan horse. By the end of the night, I bet that you gon' know the boy. And I'ma say no, dog. My gorilla's in the tour bus. Take us so tactical, he gon' pull up with a quiet tech and leave you bruised up. You can't name a crew better if he say that he better. You know that's a rumor. Donovan, he got the Ruger. If you ain't a gorilla, then you a loser. Join the party. I can provide the army. First we flank him, then spank him, outrank them. Almost so hot, I think we need firemen. If I say aggro, he know he in the furnace. If you don't call your hit, we go fully auto. You know that's the motto. Gorilla season, we living bleeding, know you won't see tomorrow. Shane Smith like John Wick, Bobby Yaga hit you quick. I know it make you sick when we yeah. Join the party. I can provide the army. We get it started. Come and hear the voice of the man they call the Trojan horse. By the end of the night, I bet that you gon' know the boy. And I'ma say no, dog. My gorilla's in the tour bus. Pick us so tactical, he gon' pull up with a quiet tech and leave you bruised up. You can't name a crew better if he say that he better. You know that's a rumor. Donovan, he got the Ruger. If you ain't a gorilla, then you a loser.
I like your meat drum.
Thanks. Just gonna go test it.
Okay. Alright. I probably don't come downstairs. I am gonna tell you can't use it. Like, just so you...
I was gonna let you use it. I was gonna let you use it up in the ladder.
Point at him.
You have to squeeze your handle back. Yeah.
You can see where they're going. You have to hold it.
I'm not pushing it on me?
You have to hold your hand here.
Yeah.
And then push this. Yeah.
Oh, it's just hard.
You need tracers.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You definitely need tracers.
Wait for this. It's actually surprisingly easy to aim. That's sweet,
Yeah, it's just basically fuck you in that direction.
Yeah, that's what you use the speed stop. Hey, wait.
Yeah.
Play it here. It didn't. No preceding corners. Come on.
That close? Yeah.
You're not good on your legs. You won't be